Today we're doing a fidget trading. These are all my friend fidgets. These are all my fidgets. Let's go. I'm going to offer first. I offer this orange squish dude. What am I going to offer for that? I don't have many fidgets, but maybe she looks rich. That's a really bad scam. I'm going to do a really good scam. This ultra rare legendary a snapper. Okay. Accept. Wait. You don't think a legendary ultra rare thing's gonna just do this? Add. Alright. I'll give you these rings. Okay, I accept. Yes. Oh, my turn to offer. I'm gonna give you this triple dimple. What are you gonna offer? Guys, I'm gonna scam her. I'm gonna say this is very ultra rare. Ready? I'm gonna give you this ultra rare, amazing puppet. It's amazing. Like, oh my gosh, it's the best. So you better add something good. Oh my god, I really want that. I'll add this pineapple puppet. Add. Fine. These magnetic rings. One more thing. Fine, a marble for the puppet. Sure. Accept. Yay! Okay. Yes, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look how many puppets they have. I've not got much. I've only got 3 fidgets. Right? I mean, it's their turn to offer. I'm gonna offer this really cool, legendary rainbow super sick puppet. I'll give you this one back. And this. Add. Fine. I'll give you this dimple. Add. How about these magnetic rings? I hate them anyway. Add a bit more. Fine, this snapper. Add one more thing. This puppet. Yes, accept. All he's got left is a marble. Yay. I guess here you are. She scammed me. This is so unfair. I will offer this puppet. What do you have to offer? This squishy dude, this marble, and my puppet. Add. Okay. I'll add you this puppet. Add a bit more. I'll give you this snapper and this triple dimple. It's actually a very good triple dimple, so yes. Fine. Add. Fine. I'll give you these. Accept. Yay! Look at what I got, guys. Yeah, bye.